In this video, I will explain what is Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) and the implementation challenge behind it. ERP and its predecessor, Manufacturing Resource Planning (MRP2), is helping to transform our industrial landscape. ERP processes the way manufacturing companies are managed. An enterprise-wide set of management tools that balances demand and supply, containing the ability to link customers and suppliers into a complete supply chain, employing proven business processes for decision making, and providing high degree of cross-functional integration among sales, marketing, manufacturing, operations, logistics, purchasing, finance, new product development, and human resources, thereby enabling people to run their business with high levels of customer service and productivity, and simultaneously lower cost and inventories, and providing the foundation for effective e-commerce. Implementing ERP as a new set of decision-making processes is a major undertaking involving many people throughout the company, including general management. In essence, the entire company must learn how to deal with demand and supply issues in a new way. The speed of information flow with enterprise software combined with ERP's new approach to all of the planning and execution systems represents a major shift in company thinking, and that means a lot of work. Therefore, a key principle of implementation is implementers is equal to users. The people who implement the various tools within ERP must be the same people who will use those tools after they have been developed. The problem is the people who need to do it are already very busy with their first priority, getting customers' orders, making shipments, meetings, keeping the equipment operating, running the business. All other activities must be subordinate. Implementing ERP can't be priority number one. ERP is commonly misperceived as a computer system. Not so. It's a people system made possible by the computer software and hardware. It requires top management leadership and participation. If the goal is truly to run the business better, then the general manager and staff must be deeply involved. Changes made at a lower level in the organization won't matter much if it's business as usual at the top. It involves virtually every department within the company. It's not enough for just the manufacturing or logistics or material departments to be on board. Virtually all departments in the company must be deeply involved in implementing ERP. Those mentioned plus marketing, engineering, sales, finance, and human resources. Most companies implementing ERP must undergo massive behavior change to be successful. ERP requires a new set of values. Many things must be done differently, and this kind of transformation is never easy to achieve. ERP provides the work and people process to make sense out of this rapid flow of data. Experienced users say implementing ERP is more difficult than building a new plant, introducing a new product, or entering a whole new market. Implementing ERP successfully can be almost a sure thing if it's done right. However, ERP has never failed to work, not once. When correctly implemented, it will work and users will realize enormous benefits. An aggressive implementation schedule focused on achieving maximum benefits in minimum time. The proven path, a set of steps that, if followed, will ensure a successful implementation. Because ERP will be implemented by the people running the business, their first priority must be running the business, which is a full-time job in itself. Now, their responsibilities for implementing ERP will require more work and more hours above and beyond running the business. The best approach is to establish ERP as a very high priority, implement it quickly and successfully, and then capitalize on it. Unforeseen changes come in two forms: changes in people and changes in operating environment. Each type represents a threat to the ERP project. Regarding people changes, take the case of a division whose general manager is ERP knowledgeable, enthusiastic, and leading the implementation effort. Suppose this person is suddenly promoted to the corporate office. The new general manager is an unknown entity. That person's reaction to ERP will have a major impact on the project's chances for success. He or she may not be supportive of ERP, usually because of a lack of understanding, and the entire implementation effort will be at risk. Environmental change includes factors such as a sharp increase in business, a sharp decrease in business, competitive pressures, new governmental regulations, etc. While such changes can certainly occur during a short project, they are much more likely to occur over a long, stretched out time period. Decisions range from small and simple with straightforward answers to big and complex with little clarity about what the best choice will be. Being an effective manager requires learning how to successfully navigate all kinds of decisions. Thanks.